Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to scan QR code on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to scan a QR code on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. After opening your WhatsApp, guys, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see there is a three dotted icon at the top right. Tap on the three dotted icon and tap on settings option available for us just below the start messages. So tap on settings, and over here, guys, now you can see your name and your phone number at the top of the screen, and at the right side of it there is the QR code icon available for us. Tap on that QR code icon at the top right corner just beside your name over here, and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to scan your QR code from your WhatsApp, you can see the scan code option available over here where I just tap, and if you tap on it, this kind of camera will open where you will be able to scan a QR code from. Or at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see there is a picture icon. If you tap on it, you will be able to scan your QR code from over here by uploading. And with that being said, guys, this is how to scan QR code on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.